Hi guys, my name is Faith Ofoma and I am here with a legal talk show where we are going to be talking about a lot of legal issues, legal topics arising in our society. So I would love you to join me and follow me as we discuss. And at any point you don't understand or you want to ask any questions, the comment section is available. You drop it there and I will come with some answers. Okay, thank you. So today we are going to be talking about some topic and it's going to be brief and understandable for every one of us. Okay, so the issue on ground is the liability of a partner who intentionally transmits the sexual transmitted diseases to his other partner intentionally. Okay, so what does the law say about this? What is the position of the law regarding partners who intentionally transmits sexually transmitted disease to their other partner? Okay, so first of all, we are going to be talking about their liabilities. When you want to sue your partner for transmitting such diseases to you, what are the grounds in which you are going to sue them for? In this video, we'll be talking about two liabilities. That's the criminal liability and then the tortious liability. When we take the criminal liability, we are going to be proving some other two elements under the criminal liability. But first of all, let's discuss the tortious liability. In the tortious liability, you can sue your partner for transmitting such diseases to you based on some sexual battery. It's sexual battery. When we are talking about sexual battery, we mean that your partner intentionally, knowing full well that he is having the disease, transmits it to you without your consent. That's your partner doesn't inform you of his or her condition and goes on having sex with you. When you are infected with such a disease, you can take an action against your partner for having transmitted the infection to you. It's a tortious offense. So going down, you can also sue your partner based on negligence. This is where your partner, knowing full well that he has been diagnosed with the infection, goes on and have sex with you without prior information of his condition, and he does it skin, like what we call skin to skin, without using any safety precaution. In this case, he's being negligent, and when he does it and he transmits the infection to you, you can take an action against such a person. Although we can say that he is aware and probably he doesn't have any intention of transmitting the disease to you. In a situation where he uses protection such as condoms and engage in the sexual intercourse and the partner ends up having the disease, he can still be liable for having intentionally transmitted the disease. In proving negligence, you don't need to prove intention or malice. The fact that he is aware and did not tell you of his condition and goes on having sex with you is a good ground to sue such a partner. So secondly, let's move on and prove the criminal liability of such a partner. So as I said earlier on, before you can prove the criminal liability of such partner, there are two elements that must be present. First of all, the defendant has been diagnosed with the sexually transmitted infection or disease. And the second element is that the defendant intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly transmits such disease to his other partner without the person's consent. So having sex with your partner without informing your partner that you are, let's say, HIV patient positive, then it is as good as saying that you had sex with her or him without her consent. So a person that is infected with sexually transmitted disease and does not tell his other partner of his condition, it is presumed that the sex he had has not been consented to, because it is assumed that when you tell me that you are a HIV positive, I won't consent to having sex with you. because I'm aware of the consequences. So in the case where you disclose it to me and I however take the risk to engage in such an act, then the position would be different. So here lies the case where a partner does not tell his other partner of his condition and goes on to have sex with him or with her. He or she can be sued and he'll be made to pay certain damages for the damages incurred by the victim or the pains that the victim has gone through. So I'll be stopping here today, and I hope you do understand this discussion. And if in case you don't understand anything, you can just kindly comment it on the comment section and then click on the link so that you will see it each time we upload a video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.